plot 2 points that are 7 units from point C and also share the same y coordinate as point C. So if they share the y coordinate of point C is -4. So we need to plot 2 other points on -4 on the y-axis. And it has to be 7 units away from point C. Okay, point C on the x is at 1, so 1 point will be here on 8. So the distance of this point is 7 units away from C, and this point is on the same y coordinate as C. Now this point will be on -6. Okay, because we have 1 here, a distance of 1 unit, plus a distance of 6 units to the left of the y-axis. And so this point is 7 units away. And it's on the same, it shares the same y coordinate because it's at -4. Okay. Plot the points -3 and -4. -3 and -4. It's right here. And 6 and -4. 6 and -4. Okay. On the coordinate plane below. What is the distance between these 2 points? Okay. Okay, so the distance from this point to the y-axis is 6, and the distance from this point to the y-axis is 3. So the total distance is 9, because we have 6, we have 6 plus 3, which is 9. We can also calculate this by saying that we subtract 6 minus -3. And this shows that when we subtract from positive number, subtract a negative number from a positive number, we basically combine the distances of the two numbers from the 0. Okay? Because this is the 0 of the x-axis. So this point is located 6 units away from the 0, and this point is located 3 units away from the 0, but to the left of the axis, the left of the 0. So basically, this explains why when we subtract a negative number, we flip the sign and we do an addition. Okay, which is very nice. -3, -4, 6, -4. Okay. So the distance is 9 units. Point M is located at 0 and -5. Point M is located at 0 and -5. This 0 and -5. 0 and -5. Okay, so this here is point M. Right? Point m is located at 0 and negative 5. Okay. What is located 3 units from point M? Okay, so we see that point B, 1, 2, 3 units away from point M. Point A is 5 units away, and point C is 6 and 3, 9 units away. And point B is 1, 2, 3 units away from point M. Point W is located at negative 5, negative 3. So let's draw the coordinate plane. Two, three, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, negative 5. So negative 5 and negative 5. So this is negative 5. And the y will be located, will be located here. This is point, which point is this? Point W. Negative 5, negative 4. Okay. Select all the following that are 5 units from point W. Okay, let's consider this one. Negative 5 and 0. Negative 5 on the x and 0 on the y. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Okay. So this is 3 units away from W. Just this point here is on the same x-axis, but it's at a distance of 3 units on the y, because this is 0. So this is not correct. Okay. Negative 8 and negative 5. Negative 8 and negative 5. This is negative 6, this is negative 7, this is negative 8, this is negative 4, and this is negative 5. So negative 8 and negative 5 will be here. Okay. So this point is on the x-axis is 3 units away to the left, and then the y-axis is 3 units away upwards. So it's not 5 units away, so the second option is not correct. And the x is at a distance of 3 units away, and on the y it is at a distance of 2 units away. Okay, so let's consider this third option, negative 5 and 2, negative 5 and 2, negative, no, this is 1, this is 2, so negative 5 and 2 will be somewhere here. This is negative 5 and 2. So on the y-axis, here a distance of 2, and here a distance of another 3. So this is 5 units away. Okay, so this one is for C. Okay. Plot 2 points that are 3 units from point C and also share the same y coordinate as point C. So when they say they share the same y coordinate, it means that they have to be on the same level, same height, the same altitude as point C, which is negative 5. And it has to be 3 units away from point C. So this is 1. Okay, this is located at negative 3, negative 5. So the distance here is 3 units. And this will be the second. This is negative 9. And this is negative 6 on the x. So the distance on the x-axis is 3 units. And it has the same y coordinate, which is negative 5. Okay, plot the points negative 6 and 8, so negative 6 and 8, negative 6 and 8, and 0 and 8. Okay, so this is 0 and 8 on the coordinate plane below. What is the distance between these 2 points? Okay, so the distance is 6, you can see this. Okay, and the distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can easily see this because this is point, this is the 0. So let's do it in red. So this is the 0 of the x, and this is negative 6. So the distance between negative 6 and 0 is 6. You can write it as 0 minus negative 6 equals 6. Okay. Because the number minus the negative number is the distance between the two numbers, which is 6. Okay. Point M is located at 9 and 0. So let's plot point M. Point M is located at 9 and 0 on the y-axis. Okay, so this is point M. What What is located 4 units from point M? Okay, so point A is exactly 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so point M is on y0, and point A is on negative 4, so 0 minus negative 4 and 4. Okay. Okay. So in the next video I will do this practice, coordinate plane problems in all 4 quadrants. See you.